It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'm back with another one. Let's talk about the current state of the market. You know, we talk about crypto daily over here. Chat, I think I pulled something in my back. God dang, I'm getting old. Chat, let me know the best remedies for like back stretches or stuff for like joints, man. I think I'm getting a little too old for this. All right, so market looks good today. All right, we're not totally out the woods yet. We're going to be talking about, you know, what I'm seeing on the BTC charts on the total three and also the Bitcoin dominance. Be sure to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. Now, we had some breaking news, right? I think the breaking news was see if I can actually find it right here. Trump signs an executive order to establish a U.S. sovereign wealth fund, right? Now, there's been speculation that with this wealth fund, they'll be buying BTC in ETH, right? Which is kind of obvious when you see what WLF doing. Eric Trump actually posted a tweet and edited when he said, buy ETH, thank me later, right? And then Arkham Intelligence posted that they were sending the ETH to Coinbase. So there's been speculation that they're either like selling it allegedly or self custody. So we'll just have to see how everything goes, man. There's a lot of craziness, insider bullshit that's happening right now in crypto. The tariffs go into the sovereign wealth according to the knowledge that we got from Trump. The allegedly the sovereign wealth fund could be investing in BTC and ETH. And, you know, apparently this is a hack similar to what we see from MicroStrategy, right? You buy up all your stocks, you know, reinvest that into BTC, and it's kind of like a flywheel, right? So at the end of the day, this is actually bullish for crypto. The implications of a sovereign wealth fund, right? A sovereign wealth fund with crypto investments could reshape markets, institutional endorsement, potential capital influx, strategic shift in financial planning, speculative analysis, not financial advice, of course. Got to put that out there, right? Also giving us legitimacy, right? A government endorsing signals legitimacy. Crypto's role in national economic policy increases. We're already starting to see multiple countries now line up to get prepared for a Bitcoin strategic reserve. There was some FUD out here in the market, though. China, you know, a lot of people were calling what just happened was a bear trap and manipulation, but China imposes 15% tariffs on the United States. So there are countries that are retaliating and striking back. Now, this is crazy. In the midst of El Salvador expanding the Bitcoin reserves, we're starting to see a lot more countries do the same, right? We're seeing a lot more countries do the same. You can see here that the international race for BTC strategic reserve is starting to heat up. And of course, I'm still suspended, as you can see at the bottom of the screen. So if you're wondering what happened to my X account, guess what? I don't know, right? El Salvador is fully in the front, right? They've already acquired BTC for the reserves. We're seeing Switzerland and the US heat up, large policy enacted, including Brazil. So just imagine when all of these countries step forward and award us with a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Eventually in the future, I can see altcoin reserves. Now, side note, guys, please stop watching the P hub on your Phantom or Trust Wallet browsers, right? There's been hacks happening where for some odd reason people are so if you ever use Trust Wallet or Phantom, there's actually a browser within the app where you can like surf the web. Never do that. If you pick up or anything that I say in this video, never use a extension, right? Never use a never use your crypto wallet browser to view the internet unless you're trying to connect to a decentralized exchange, guys. Just if you, whatever you're gonna do, go do that on. Buy another phone. Put all your crypto on a phone that you never use. Right, guys. I have two phones. Two, one, two, two phones. I'm not playing around. Right. So at the end of the day, be smart and not. Okay, all right, enough of that. So let's go back. I had to side note. I do get distracted. So back to the bullish thesis of this sovereign Wealth fund, right? Crypto's role in international economic policy, mainstream financial accepts growth. Sovereign wealth funds control billions in capital. Even small allocations could inject massive liquidity. This is the huge part that I did share in the Discord and also the J5 Council. So even small allocations could inject massive liquidity, market stabilizing effects through long-term holding. Regulatory clarity, right? Increased government involvement may drive clearer regulations, reduce uncertainty, attracts more investors. I'm not sure how the meeting went, but there was supposed to be a meeting scheduled where Trump was supposed to be talking about making the United States the crypto hub. So a lot of bullish things happening on a fundamental standpoint. Eventually, I expect price action to catch up, right? We don't know exactly how this altcoin season will look. You got some people say, yes, we will have a traditional altcoin season. Some people believe that the dilution has kind of moved us away from the altcoin season. We'll just have to be here and see how things transpire. Portfolio diversification and digital transformation. Crypto recognizes diversification too. A lot of people are not paying attention to this, the wording and a lot of this stuff that's happening. So now the crypto market is being respected, right? As a asset, right? As a new innovation, a new asset on the block, right? Similar to, compare it to the stock market. Well, now we got the crypto market. New financial products and investments vehicles will emerge, right? Market psychology. This is huge. High profile backing boosts investor confidence. Our president dropped a meme coin. Should I say more? More users, developers, and institutions enter the space. So you'll see a lot of Web2 people, big developers from like AI, Google, NVIDIA. We already see them entering the space, and even in some cases, like Jelly, dropping meme coins. Self and reinforcing adoption cycle strengthens the market, more liquidity. Some of the takeaways from this: institutional legitimacy, capital influx, regulations may improve due to state involvement. Crypto becomes a core asset in modern portfolios, and positive feedback loops to enhance adoption, right? So there's been a lot of speculation about the wealth fund, but I think that it's huge, right? You can see World Liberty Finance still buying ETH. ETH jumped crazy yesterday. I was like, ETH jumped from like 2020, like 2200 to like 2900 in a matter of hours, right? It's good to see Tau performing well, right? Tau gave you a great entry over 24 hours ago at about 278. So like, if we're gonna call Bitcoin the decentralized version of money, Tau is the decentralized version of AI. So a lot of things happening, guys. I know I keep flipping over here. Please protect your assets. But there's the question: do you truly believe that Pump.Fun has destroyed altcoin season? Right? Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. You can see this is when Pump.Fun was created, right? And ever since it was created, it's been going down, right? So guys, y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. Alt's performance against Bitcoin has been going down ever since Pump Fund was created. So I would like to know. That's the question I want to ask everybody. What do you feel? Do you feel like Pump Fund is truly throwing off the dynamics of altcoin season? I would love to know everybody's opinion. I'm still not the woods out the woods yet when this, looking at this double top, it is going to determine if we get some good volume for the rest of this week for the crypto market. Stock RSI is still trending to the downside here, right? I don't know. Some people would call this a bearish divergence, depending on how you're looking at it, right? Crypto price trending to the upside, but it could go either way. As you can see, you can also say that it's trending to the downside. I would say it's trending to the upside because you got a higher low here, so trending to the upside, but we do got a bearish divergence here on the Bitcoin chart. So it's going to be interesting to see how these China imposing a tariff on United States affects the entire cryptocurrency market. Still trying to get back in our box here pattern for the total three. Not just there yet. If we do get rejected here at this neckline, coinciding with the free fall of the stock RSI, is a good chance that altcoins could go lower, and this could potentially be a dead cat bounce. But if we continue to get bullish information, price could continue to go up, which would be a positive thing for the market. Seeing that the Bitcoin dominance did get rejected here at about 64 percent. So Bitcoin dominance still on an uptrend. Stock RSI on an uptrend. Who knows how this plays out? But I gave you the bullish thesis behind Bitcoin dominance, and as the higher it goes, and the more it pulls Bitcoin closer to its all-time highs, and maybe breaking those all-time highs, heading into the zones of 150 or 200K, the more liquidity will rotate into the altcoins, preferably ETH first, then the top 100, then into our low caps, micro caps, right? Bearing that the cycles are the same, right? We've also seen a lot of these cycles be about rotating. So, trade attention, liquidity rotations, but don't mirror your altcoins. Use on-chain data signals, social signals, and whale trackers to stay ahead. Diversify across top narratives, but take profits systematically. Adapt your strategy to the changing market conditions. I'm gonna leave y'all with that. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Maybe this is the video for the Patreon as well. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get a video. I'm about to go running, guys. So 2 for Tuesday, double up day. Look like we are doubling up. Let me know how y'all feel about the dilution within the market. H bar up 13%. Jasmy up today. Our blue chips are performing good. And Tau, right? I've been really on the fence about grabbing some Ondo, but I think that there are RWA plays that are a little bit more, potential wise, right? That this is the founder here of the Rio ticker Rio RIO. Now shilling his token. He says, all right, since it's open season on shilling and even the president of the United States can do it, let's go. He says, if Rio reaches $5 a coin, I will buy one random follower a new Ferrari. This isn't sarcasm. Game on. So now we're starting to see the founders and developers of some of these altcoin utility projects. They probably fed the fuck up. They like, look, I can't keep sitting here watching pumped up fun in these weirdo tokens skyrocket to hundreds of millions of dollars in market cap when we're really building something really good here, right? So this is good to see people now feeling comfortable about openly shilling their projects. Guys, let me know what y'all think about China retaliation and the current dilution in the market. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.